Casio has once again pushed the boundaries of rugged innovation, with the introduction of the GPR-H1009 and GPR-H1001, the latest additions to the esteemed Rangeman series. These cutting-edge timepieces are tailor-made for thrill-seekers and adventurers, redefining toughness by seamlessly combining strength and functionality to meet the demanding requirements of outdoor exploration. The Rangeman series is engineered to withstand the harshest conditions, offering unparalleled resilience against shocks, dust, mud, and water. This durability is complemented by a host of features that make these watches indispensable companions for outdoor enthusiasts. The inclusion of GPS technology, solar-assisted charging, and Bluetooth capabilities positions the G-Shock Rangeman as a reliable and technologically advanced tool for those who seek adventure beyond the ordinary. Developed with practicality and analysis in mind, the G-Shock Rangeman supports 9 activities, including trekking, running, biking, and swimming. Real-time data is at the wearer's fingertips, thanks to the inclusion of 6 sensors, including a heart rate monitor. Health metrics and analysis are facilitated through the powered bipolar suite, and seamless integration with the Casio Watches app provides users with a comprehensive overview of their fitness journey. The built-in GPS functionality enhances tracking capabilities by providing precise position, distance, and speed measurements. USB charging supports training functions and smart features, ensuring that these watches are not just durable, but also highly functional. Furthermore, the solar charging feature guarantees the reliability of the time display, even in low battery situations, making these watches true all-weather companions. In low-light conditions, the super illuminator LED backlight comes to the fore, significantly enhancing readability. This feature ensures that the GPR-H1009 and GPR-H1001 remain legible in challenging environments, allowing users to focus on their activities with confidence. Beyond their impressive features, these additions to the Rangeman series prioritize comfort and sustainability. The urethane band, specifically developed for water-based activities, and the use of bio-based resin components, underscore G-Shock's commitment to environmental responsibility. The inclusion of metal components to protect the GPS antenna and 6 sensors further enhances the versatility of these timepieces, making them suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities. Starting January 19th, the eagerly awaited G-Shock GPR-H1009 and GPR-H1001 will be available to enthusiasts and adventurers alike. These new additions to the Rangeman series come in vibrant yellow and classic black colorways, adding a touch of style to their rugged durability. Price of $500, these timepieces offer a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, resilience, and aesthetic appeal. For those eager to get their hands on these robust outdoor companions, multiple purchase options are available. Customers can explore these timepieces at select jewelers, conveniently shop online through the official G-Shock website, or visit the G-Shock Soho store for a hands-on experience with these adventure-ready watches. With the GPR-H1009 and GPR-H1001, Casio once again demonstrates its dedication to pushing the boundaries of what a rugged outdoor watch can achieve. These timepieces not only stand up to the toughest conditions, but also embrace innovation, comfort, and sustainability, making them an ideal choice for those who seek adventure in every step they take. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have no questions. Have a nice day and God bless you.